It's vlog time. We got Marky climbing through. So we're gonna go fishing today. What do you think? We just sat in the store for like
fucking almost an hour.
Literally like
been waiting.
Literally 30 minutes. I'm blurring this cunt's face out. Dude, we started out the day. We went over to Marky's house. We dropped our friend off. We went over to Marky's house. He whips out a black powder pistol. So we got a gun. We're gonna be shooting on the channel. But yeah, we're fucking vlogging. We got Blobs Gaming. Link in the description. And this one's not even on YouTube. Living in a
Not? If you want to, I don't care where we go.
He's living in a camper behind his parents' house. So.
I'm eat that slice of pizza before I do.
You just gotta dig a hole, piss in it until it's got enough in it. You'll probably find some fish in there.
They'll grow.
Yeah. All right, boys, cut to it. Oh, come on! What the f***? Oh, he's moving off to the side, boys. Give us some Marky. And we're back.
Can I grab the quarter?
Driving with this again.
Hey, my tires are okay, I'm okay.
Nice one, Jacob. That was, we'll say that was on purpose. You think so?
It was for the most part. You said you wanted me to drift it. I was like, ah, fuck it,
I wasn't expecting you to.
Honestly,
Trip ain't over yet.
I didn't even expect it to whip that much. I only thought it was gonna fucking do a little turn, and I'm like, all right, cool. I'll just put it out a little bit. Nah, the motherfucker decided. Oh,
If you guys see the footage, there's fucking cars. There was like 3 vehicles like on the road as we were getting ready for this guy to film that, and I was like, oh yeah, just hopefully nobody else is coming. That would have been fucking incredible. But yeah, we ain't done yet. We still gotta go. Already. See you guys then. What the f is that? Hey boys, it's Sasquatch. This is Pog. Didn't know we were rock climbing today.
yeah.
Oh, fuck. It's gonna be some good shit, dude. Yeah. Ready for this, Jacob? Ready to catch some big bass? Marcus. You. Oh, me, all bass fishing, boys. Scuffter fishing. We're catching bass and getting pussy.
Well, I don't see any of that happening right now.
Well, dude, Mark, you're here now.
What?
You're here now. Get some pussy now. All right.
I gotta set up before you guys get some fish.
Yeah, dude. Get some time lapse of us fucking fishing. That's gonna be fun.
Yeah, I gotta go run back. I'm missing the Oh, Jesus.
All right, get him, Mark. This boy's saving me right now. I've been fishing in years. Nice place, though.
Think that's
what nice.
Stab somebody.
Yeah, you should stab somebody.
Maybe in a bit.
Maybe in a bit.
We'll see.
Get me set up. Oh, yeah.
That's
Yo, look at them sinkers, dude.
Those are for ocean fishing.
No, that's for fishing in lava. What the f do you mean? Jacob, I dare you to eat one of these.
I'm good.
You sure, pussy? Look at us. They're all f***ing shirtless, dude. I feel a little left out. Like sausage links.
Don't even worry about it. That's how.
Do I just stick it on one? Just slap it on? Alright, I'm gonna set this up.
Get some grasshoppers out of there.
Oh, those are toe biters, dude. Big mom.
What?
It's a toe biter. Yeah, I guess so. Oh, where's my bobber? Yeah, this is fun.
You don't call it Grant. Oh, yes, I do. I got some good old deep sea fish. Yeah, I have those too.
Dude, yeah, look at mine. That's fucked. Fishing content. It's the best on YouTube. Best on YouTube. This is gonna be on rewind, I'll tell you.
That'll definitely attract something.
Just fart in the water, dude. I'll do it. Give her a big old toss. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, nice job. It's belly up now. It's belly up. Fuck. Well, at least belly up, so. Oh, he's coming too. Oh, you just made him retarded for a second. Man, it's just pissing me off. They keep touching my shit and they're not fucking. Jesus. Shit blobs.
Yeah, that's the difference between knocking a can 6 inches and 4 inches. You know what the difference between 3 and 6 inches is?
Me.
Ooh and ah.
Shut the f up.
You would know that, would you?
I fucking do know it.
You're the only one with the ooh.
I got the fucking ah and the ooh and the e and the you know. I got all of them. Dang. Thank you. Dude, oh, I need to run my whole line through that. I'm totally tempted. That'd be funny.
I gotta whip it out and take a fucking piss right there.
Yeah, get that on video.
I'm waiting for that boat.
Then you gotta whip it out. He's packing the 9cm.
Heck yeah. It's a 9mm. Don't give me extra credit.
Oh, Mark, I wouldn't plan on it.
You did.
Well, I was trying to give you something, you know.
Exactly, extra credit.
We're on camera right now, so, you know, you're the one admitting it. Just trying to be nice to you. You know, fell in the water, boys. It's all right. Jake, what are you feeling? Yep. Mark, you're doing great today. I just gotta say, you really represent the f***ing fishing group.
And my worm's gone. Ooh-wee.
Oh yeah, you must have eaten it before you dragged him in. Nice one, Mark.
You
Really
hungry?
fucking great job, dude. And I almost fell in again. Yo. Yeah, dude. Fucking Jesus, Mark. We gotta keep it PG, you know. That's okay. That's pretty decent angle. Check this out. Fucking nice. Decent. Now kill it. Well, at least I'm not having a great time. Mark, what did you do? I say you fucking smash his head in.
Do it. Drop a rock on
Yeah, I'm not really feeling it. All right, you're really pissing me off. You ain't kidding me.
Hell, Bass will eat that.
Right in the reeds, Mark. Good job. Oh, I got something on my line. He's playing. Fantastic, guys. Let me dehook this. Yeah. Oh, okay, relax. Ooh, that's 2. That's pretty big, you know, pretty decent. I don't think you can really do anything with them. Come on. Relax. Come on. Relax. Perch. Alright, yeah. Oh, this thing is stupid. Getting some real content today, boys. How are you boys feeling? He's not happy. So Jacob, yeah, you should text your uncle, bro. Go night fishing. You think?
Go do what?
Talk to him about it. Night fishing, yeah. You want to go?
No, not really. I got work in the morning.
Yeah, when do you wake up?
I gotta wake up at 5.
Same here, dude.
Yeah, but like, I'm an old man, dude. I gotta get up,
Yeah, old
make
fucker.
my food, drink a couple cups of coffee.
Couple.
Couple cups of coffee.
I drink one cup of Heartstopper. Yeah, Mark, you're getting a little closer. My brother caught one in his ass once. He got a fucking hook right in his ass.
Heartstopper?
Yeah, Heartstopper. It's just a pacemaker. This is riveting.
Huh?
This is riveting, dude. Just go and stand out in the middle there. You can hold fish bait in your hand and just wait for him to come take it from you.
I've seen him sit there for like an hour now, and he's caught anything.
You talking shit, Mark? Talking shit? Alright. Be all alone out here. Mark, what the fuck you doing? Alright, fair enough. Fair enough. I don't know. Talking shit. Stepping in the water. Just talking shit and stepping in the water. Alright, let's cast. Can we do a left-handed cast? Not for shit. Man, these are not. There ain't a fucking single good thing here. There isn't a single good thing here. Y'all caught them all. Fucking assholes. Yeah, let's have more luck out there with them.
Content, bro. I need content.
I need content, boys. Or f you, Mark. You're scaring them all away. Every time you're over here, I get call. Yeah, fuck you. What the fuck? You're a dick. Oh, good. And my hook's on a tree. Fucking dick. It's content. Look at that.
There you go, buddy.
Mark, you're out here representing.
Oh, that's content.
Fucking stupid ass. Would you put one on and then throw it back in?
No.
Are you sure? You're dumb. Hey.
It's either we can come here, we can go to Freedom, or we can go to Sanborn.
Wherever we go works. I mean, we didn't catch shit, but it was a lot of fun.
Perch and sunfish.
We met a really cool guy. He was in the Marines. Got into a nice conversation with him. It was pretty cool. And it's yeah, we're gonna go back. We're gonna be night fishing on a canoe. Do I have
afternoon/night?
Do I have work in the morning at 5 a.m.? You're damn right I do. That's all right. We'll handle it pretty fine. Probably. Maybe you could get
day/night fishing, because by the time we get the canoe and get it on the water, it'll still be light out. It's
Maybe.
only like, it stays light until like almost 8 o'clock.
Depending on how long this video is, we might make it a part 2. Yeah, might make it a part 2. Go out, watch the sunset.
Girl.
Get a maybe battery charger. All right, well, we'll see you then. We're back out here, and it's content time, Jacob.
Heavy, dude.
Let's get it. You should have brought a fucking tripod. Set it up in the middle of the boat. Now we got nowhere to set this shit. All right, we'll get back when we're on the water.
Line probably doesn't even go that far.
All right, well, drop the anchor, con.
I don't think it's gonna yank away. All right, dropping her in, boys.
He's dropping it. That's how deep we are. Nice. Look at that. Look at that view, dude. Look at that sunset, man. Let's catch some fucking bass, Jacob. Let's stop fucking around. All right, we'll let you know.
You look down.
So, just chilling. How we doing? Yeah, this is it's good content. Literally got no bites.
Got things when the sun was setting, but
Yeah, we got a couple things when the sun was out, but nothing here. We tried literally everything. We tried fucking skimming. We tried skimming. We tried sinking. We tried in between. Nothing. We're gonna be waiting though. We try it out. Oh, there's no fire. Yeah. Frogs are noisy. How noisy. We got Fanta though. We're happy. I grabbed another one. Probably my last one. I might drink like 3 of these. Yeah. I'm just my mind's sitting. Can't see the bobber. And we wait.